The next option in the marketing tab is to create trigger links. What are these trigger links and how do you use these? So for this, I come back to my marketing tab and I click on trigger links. Here you can create a lot of trigger links. What do you do to create this? Let's say click on create a link. I create a name for the trigger link. That could be, let's say, Canva course offer. I add a link, so Canva mastery, that's a course link that I have. I give this link. Now that's created as a trigger link. What this trigger link does is, whenever I'll open the templates here, I'll edit this, and in this mail body, let's say somewhere, or say add a button text, I use a trigger link here. Okay, here are the trigger links. The Canva course offer. Now the trigger link is added to this button. I save this template. Now what this helps us with is to analyze how many clicks you got, what exactly did happen, and so on. So once you have this here and you go back now and you come back to trigger links, you can analyze over here. So trigger links allows you to put links inside SMS messages and emails, which allows you to track specific customer actions and trigger events based on when the link is clicked. So that's the function of trigger links. You can add this and then you can analyze based on different criterias. We'll find this out in more details, the functionality of it in more details in later chapters. But for now, yeah, that's what trigger links is all about.